real quick. I don't know if I'm enough room on this. So I'm talking about the cat stance. I usually hate the cat stance because I'm not that great at this. Because I prefer like, the old-fashioned stance where I can punch and kick and other things from it. But I realize that the cat stance does help. If you're, fast. Now, you're not going to get much power out of it, and you can twist your legs. You can twist your foot when you're doing a punch. Even doing your mouth. So, yeah. All right. Kick. That's what I like pushing your feet into it. It's probably better to plant before you punch or kick, but it can be used to get close. Fight against somebody. If I was really good at this particular thing, this is a name. I don't want to forget that that's like this or like this. Extensions that could work for you if you're fast enough. Because basically what this is the Philly clamshell. Literally. Oh shit. So that's why this could work. Or if you want to use this particular stance, that's just basically, this is just basically this stance, the old school martial arts stance where you can pretty much, but again, I prefer to have my feet flat and planted because I can control it better. But I do understand that it could be useful for defensive purposes. It's not a stance I personally would use because I'm not a, really skinny, fast person. You have to be really fast. Let's just say fast. If you're going to be heavy and fast, I'm not sure about you. Anyway, but I felt more of a power style. Like Shotokan was my first. If you can go on. If you do something like this, that probably will work too. Or if you can help and boxer. But I don't know how it would work. If it's something I like the peekaboo style. Or whatever the hell. I can't get into this style. I can get it from here. If somebody's pressing at your gut, but up to here. Anyway. But I think to punch, you gotta all lay your feet down to get anything out of real power. And if you want to tag somebody and come out from something else. Admittedly. You can do stuff like that with that particular style. But it's not one of my favorites for him, but I can see how it can be useful if you're trying to get a faster, quicker movement. And if you're quick, then yeah, you can use that. If you got power styles, you just, the old school, what I call L stance, and keep both weight on both feet. We can whether it's put the weight here, or I think it's called T stance in Taekwondo, where they put the weight here. There's some other stances that could probably work. But I was going over the cat stance. Why would this be useful? And it kind of dawned on me. It can do for quicker, faster attacks. Alright. Peace.